Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very important because my friend, in last 7 days minus 6.51% the price is decreased now. It's a very bad news from all of you because after a very long time you can hear the Vechain or fails down, so that's clear my friends, so the price is also decreasing, and if a price will decreasing, so that's clear my friends, so they will never give you a profit. So what we will need to do, what expert says, everything my friend, and what's the latest update of Vechain coin, everything I am going to give you my friends details. But please, if you are new to my channel, I have one request: if you want to earn money from crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for video notification. And this time my friend, you can see here in last 7 days they will get a not profit, but absolutely my friend, it's a possible. You can see here to upcoming time they will get a profit, because in last 24 hours my friends, the condition is something going good now, because just in only my friend, you can see here this time the line, you can see here the chart line is moving upward. So that's mean my friends, the price will starting pumping, the price will increasing. After this fails, everybody knows this, to after a dump every coin will pump. So therefore I'm 100% sure to after this dump they will get 100% very huge jump. So holders, please, you will need my friends to hold now. I will give you guarantee my friends, so they will give you a profit, very good profit my friend, if you are hold now. So just and only my friend, this is, remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you. And experts say my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance to reach and CEO my friends with collaborate with a lot of companies my friend, and there is a chance so they will collaborate with Amazon. So if they will collaborate, so it's clear my friends, so they will make you a millionaire now. My friends, in this time you can see here in last 24 hours they will get a profit. So I hope my friend, in upcoming days also Vechain will give you a profit. Kindly holder, if you want to earn money, so now subscribe this channel, and my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.